Good morning, folks. Long time no see. I believe it's been, maybe a week since our last video. Shout out to my CryptoFace Crusaders in the World Series of Trading. Currently, your leader is in second place of his own team. I'm at 123%. How long has it been? A week or 2 weeks in this tournament? And I just want to say that yippee-ki-yay, I am very proud of this team. What I'm looking at, what I see with these gains, I see responsible, disciplined traders. I don't see people using insane leverage. In these world tournaments, there are Chinese out there that are goosing it, and some of them are going to major miss and some are going to major hit and have 700-800%. But master yourself and master the enemy, and let the chips fall where they may. Be that as it may. Do a little market analysis, and let's talk about how you too should be at 120% gains in the past week or two. Starting off on the 2-day, looking beautiful as ever, bullish. We've been, even in the last week, or the last videos a week ago, these trigger waves, money flow coming up. I mean, it's been there. We have been murdering the game. Murdering the game. We're even coming up with the heavily modified VWAP. Crossing over, candles looking strong, still looking good, looking like there's room for more. Taking a look at the daily, steady incline, still room for more, just breaching here on the VWAP on the daily. More room to the upside. 12-hour, we're certainly in the thick. Let's go to the Mount Everest theory of the 6-hour. The 6-hour. This is the second Mount Everest. This was our first, where we first introduced this theory. Now, I believe that we could be seeing another Mount Everest basically right after this one. In previous bull runs, there is normally one kind of conjoined Mount Everest twin, and then they'll chill, and then there'll be another one. Not every time, but I believe one of the last two kind of bull runs, there was a conjoined Mount Everest twin. And so this very well could be that moment where we have a conjoined twin. Maybe not. If not, it's all good. Really, we're just looking for more green for confirmation. We have a higher point. We can go to the lower time frames for confirmation. We see that we have a wave coming up here. Still could be just a continuation down. Yes, this could just go down like this until the next one, but either way, you know, we're macro bullish. Very simple strategy. The way I am trading right now is off of the 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minute. If you just buy in the red on the money flow in these bull runs, it'll be red for a little bit, green for a lot. Just, if you just buy in the red, it'll go green. And the averages will play out. And you will be in profit. Even on the 5 minute. I've probably done 7, 8 trades in the past week or so in the World Series of Trading tournament. And the best way I can put it is it's like fishing. I have closed, when it moves, let's say if you bought in the red at 11,827, if it goes to 11,927, $100 move, I'm taking my profit. I am not sitting on these trades. I am getting in and getting out. And some fish are going to be small, some mid, and then some big, like this pump. You'll have a couple small fish where you make $50, $100 moves, and then you get lucky. Boom, there's a big move. The big moves come. Just stick to the plan. We got a little honey hole. Now, I am not in any trades currently. I took all profits on all my accounts. Which, do not forget, I am a huge believer in having multiple accounts. So I can play the 5 minute, but still have an account where I'm long macro. Because, damn, when you look at the 2 day, and I see that we still have, in my opinion, plenty of room to the upside, then I'll let it sit. Yeah. Yeah. A lot of talk about shitcoins. Shitcoin mania. Let us not forget the Market Cipher referral program. Market Cipher website is live. I haven't been really pushing it because there have been many kinks, as I knew and said there would be, because this is a grassroots project where me and a couple hired goons built this shit. So I appreciate everyone and sticking with us where we've had email problems and people accidentally getting their Market Cipher membership removed and all kinds of stuff. It's been all kinds of fun things. But it's all good. But it is there. It is there. So, to be simple, again, in these confirmed bull runs, we're buying in the red, selling in the green, buying in the red. Patience, sell in the green, take your profits, it'll be red again. Take your money. If it goes up and down $100 4 times and you just sat in the trade the whole time, you could have gotten in, gotten out, gotten in, gotten out, gotten in, gotten out, and made as if you did if there was a $400 move. But if you just sit there waiting for the big one that never comes, then you only get one $100 move. Instead, taking in, getting out, getting the $400 move plus the huge move. So I'm racking it up now. You guys have seen my live streams. You guys know the size of positions that I have in do trade. I mentioned before that the the past few months have been actually the best few months, personally, most profitable months of trading that I've ever had. And so I haven't really been putting out any signals the past week, 2 weeks. I have been taking it easy because this shit takes a lot of energy. Managing a community, building, launching referral programs, it takes a lot, and I do have to have my hibernation periods where I disappear. But I am still here. Boy, the stock market, gold. Gold. I added more to my gold positions. What Warren Buffett came out and said he got into bear gold and shit. And more gold's going to be coming in. This was a nice little profit take sell off. Gold will come back up. Continue up. There ain't no stopping it. Anchor trigger wave. Look, we're heavy high on the VWAP. Coming back up on our RSIs. Let's see if this money flow is going to be curving up more from the 6 hour. Beautiful. Can barely even see it. Anchor. Big anchor. Look at that. Look, huge anchor to a small trigger wave. This is a launch pad. I think we're going to see gold. Launch. I think gold is going to launch. Let's go to the 2 hour. Oh, shit. Folks. Oh my gosh. I didn't even see this. Anchor, triggers, money flow coming up. I am going to bet a farm on gold long. Betting the farm. Gold. Long. Cannot stress that enough, my God. I'm talking about record. Oh. Look what happens in previous reds. Okay, boom. Look, if you got in this red, huge. What was this gain? 15%. Look at these reds. Red here, even this, boom. 2%. Whoop-de-doo. Whoop-de-doo. 3%. Point is, oh, but this one's juicy. I'm literally salivating. This is going to be a all-time high run to gold. Betting the farm on gold. I'm sorry I keep repeating myself. Let's take a look at ETH. Wow, look at that anchor, trigger in the green. ETH still looking good. I mean, you know, wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? I mean, look at the 5-day. How right was this? Anchors, triggers, even the money flow anchor, the money flow trigger. Man. Who knows where this could go? Who knows? 12 hour. I mean, it's full in the green. Like I said, it's bullish. It's probably going to still keep going up. I have no idea where it'll go. But it's looking good. That I can say. Yeah, beautiful. Just entering out of some red. I mean, look here. You buy in the red. She takes off. 15%. Here. What happened here? This one went sideways for a little bit, but eventually broke out. What's another 15%? Jeez. Don't even have enough room. You have 500? Easy. Easy ETH shot to 500. I don't know, folks. Just don't be over leveraged. There's going to be sell-offs, but I mean, we are rolling in the dough. Rolling like pigs in mud. Like a hillbilly in the fish hole. Catfish hole. Take a look at the S&P on the weekly anchor trigger. Yeah. I mean, we're still printing money. I mean, this is going up more. Yeah, we're going up more. Look at the daily on the S&P with the market Cipher. If you buy in the red, long, in the red, long, in the red, long, bang, bang, bang. These are the good times, folks. These times do not last forever. There will be blood and pain in the future. Probably more than we've ever had before. When shit hits the fan in some sort of fashion, whether it be a bank crisis. Selling banks and buying gold is the new betting against the mortgage market in 2008. As I shed tears of basically shorting the United States of America, I'll be crying in my Ferrari with my smoking hot girlfriend and my fucking $100 bills. And you will too, while your friends on Facebook and whatnot complain of how they're victims and whoop-de-woo. You and I will be working smarter, not harder. The gap between the rich and the poor will grow, and you will have more power. Hopefully you'll use your powers for good. Make no mistake. No matter what type of shit hits the fan for whatever country or world, I am not going to be the one waiting in the bread lines. And neither should you. Shout out to the Discord profit logs. You guys are on fire. That's funny, dude. Look at you guys. Look at these guys and girls. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Man, you guys are awesome. Play your own game. Do not try to chase me or someone else you see in the Discord. If someone else trading for hundreds of thousands of dollars, making hundreds of thousands of dollars, if that's not in your realm, don't over leverage and overextend yourself to try to get there and hurt yourself. Play your game. Take your profits. Close your trades. Slice the meat off the pig. Cut the pig. That's what we call it. Slicing the pig. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. I don't know about you, but I'm the one at 123%. What are you at? What are you at? I'd be willing to bet that I'm probably top 3 of team leaders in the competition. I hope there's prizes for the actual team leaders. I know that we have our own little side bets with the 6 of us that are on the Tone-Based live stream. Me, Crow, Doug Polk, Moon, Joe. I'm pretty darn sure I'm kicking all their asses right now. I'd be willing to bet there might be some Chinese team leader out there, but I would love to see all of the team leaders' P&L percentage currently. I'd be willing to bet that I'm in top 3. Break bread like Jesus said. Don't force your positions. We just had this pump, right? So I'm waiting. I'm looking for this to cool down. I'm looking at, when the 5-minute enters in the red, right? So when we start entering the red, I'm going to start sniffing. I'm going to be looking at the 10-minute and the 15-minute to kind of give me confirmation support. When it starts coming in the red, I'm going to be looking to start firing off a barrel again. I'm looking to fire off barrels in the red. Simple shit. We are accumulating. Time will go by. A little goes a long way. It's crazy how it adds up. I swear almost every damn trade I've done has been making 10%, 10%, 10%. Then you get one big one, you get lucky. There's a lot of people on YouTube that are all taking credit for calling these pumps and calling shit. A lot of nice guys. I don't see them trading $1 million trades. I put my money where my mouth is. Me personally, I like to do what the other whales do. So, what are you going to do? Buy gold. Long gold. Get out there and sell market Cipher. Get out there and spread the crusade so your friends are not going to be the ones in the bread line, but instead they will be the ones breaking the bread, like Jesus said. Amen.